Pasta and tomato sauce are familiar menu items in student dining rooms. Pasta comes in almost as many shapes and sizes as there are different types of sauces. Recently, some pasta products have been enriched with additional vitamins and other nutrients. To achieve the best results, there is a basic ratio that can be scaled up as needed. This ratio is 1 pound of pasta to 1 gallon of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of oil. Remember the mise en place and gather the pots for boiling water, a colander, and storage containers if you're holding the cooked pasta. Bring the water to a boil and add the salt and oil. Then gradually add the pasta and stir to separate the pieces. If you're cooking filled pasta, like ravioli, add the pasta to the boiling water, but then reduce to a simmer to avoid breaking the pieces and losing the fillings. Once the pasta is in the water and it returns to a boil, continue to cook uncovered and begin timing the process. Each type of pasta has its own cooking time that will bring it to the proper doneness. You are looking for what is called al dente, which means to the tooth, when pasta is not completely soft and still has a little bite. When the pasta is cooking, you don't need to stir it. Be careful not to overcook the pasta, or it will become mushy and have an unappealing mouthfeel, and will not hold up to the moisture of the sauce. If the pasta is part of a recipe to be cooked again, par-cook the pasta by removing it from the water about 2 minutes before it reaches proper doneness. When the pasta is done, drain immediately into a colander. If you're serving the pasta right away, be sure it is fully drained. Pour it into a steam table pan and toss it lightly with a small amount of oil to prevent it from sticking. Serve immediately with the sauce of the day. If you're holding the pasta for another use, pour the drained pasta onto a sheet tray. Toss it lightly with a small amount of oil to prevent it from sticking, and cool until needed.